You can go.
So, this is my machine.
Name.
Peter. I'm going to push this trigger over here, and then the ball comes on and goes through the tube. And like there's potential energy up here, and it gains kinetic energy. And it goes through a hole in here. It gains more kinetic energy and transfers it to the car, which then gains kinetic energy because it had potential energy. And it goes down this, and then the car hits the dominoes, and it hits the CD, and then hits the end of the lever, and it goes up and pops a lid. And these are inclined planes, these three, and that's the wheel and axle because the wheels are attached to the axle on the car, and then the lever. Let's pray this works. Yeah!
Hi, Amanda. This ball's gonna go down this inclined plane. First have potential energy, then we'll have kinetic energy. Then it'll transfer energy to this cup, which will be pulled down and lift this piece up to release this car that has potential energy. And it'll have kinetic energy and probably
Here, so it needs to be loud.
I can't see.
Say your name.
And you might need to stand up. Okay?
Hi, I'm Sean Tonyhouse. What I'm going to do is pull the nail out as the trigger. This way is going to fall, bring the block of wood up, and the golf ball will roll down here, hit against here, come down there, and the lever will hit the golf ball into the cup. And this has a lot of potential energy, and once I release the trigger, then it'll turn into kinetic energy, and this will come out using kinetic energy, and this has a lot of potential energy, and once it falls, then it will change into kinetic energy.
Simple machine.
But the simple machines are the pulley, inclined plane, and the lever.
My name's Steven, and this is my machine. It's going to pop a balloon. And the three simple machines I have are a wheel and axle, an inclined plane, and a screw. And the screw is right here. After it gets released from the trigger mechanism, it'll swirl around here and then go down the hole, which will go into an inclined plane, which will go into another inclined plane, and then it will fall down into the next part, which will bring it down, the model down here, and then it'll push the dominoes, which will push the car, which is the wheel and axle, and the car has a needle connected to it, and it'll pop the balloon. And when this ball is in the trigger mechanism, it has potential energy, and once it's released, it's going to have kinetic energy. It's going to go down the inclined plane, and then when it gets here, it's going to have potential energy again until it reaches the bottom, which it's going to have potential energy, and it's going to go to kinetic energy. And then when it's here, it's going to have potential energy, and when it goes down this tube, it'll have kinetic until it pushes the dominoes, which then the dominoes will go to kinetic, and then it'll pop the balloon, and then it'll push the car, which will pop the balloon. I'm Adam. I'm so and I'm Cameron.
Go ahead.
Are you taking a picture?
No.
No, you haven't. I'm Francesca, and this is Nicole, and we're going to do the ball. This ball into that cup, and I'm going to pull this trigger, and it's going to go
Jason. I'm gonna make the ping pong ball go in the cup.
You can go.
Alright. My name's Mary, and the objective of my machine is to get this marble into the cup underneath the funnel. And the energy changes are, this car has potential energy, and then when it goes down, it has kinetic energy and hits the dominoes, which have potential energy. And then as the dominoes knock down, they have kinetic energy. And then they hit the ball that has potential energy, and the ball rolls into the cup using kinetic energy. And my simple machines are, the car is a wheel and axle, this is the inclined plane, and the funnel is a screw. And should I start?
Hold on.
It would just pull.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, and my trigger is me like dropping the car. Let's try it one more time.
Almost worked.
Did it bounce in? It didn't fall out?
No, it didn't. It just missed.
It missed? Okay.
Yes.
I'm Michelle. I'm gonna have the gumball go into the cups. Yeah, already started. You can go.
And this is our all-in-one project. Alright, well basically what's gonna happen is I'm gonna knock down this little plank right here, and it's gonna knock down the platform's gonna fall, causing the weight that's holding up the fall. The weight will pull down the lever on the board, and the door will pull up, and causing the ball to go down the inclined plane, hit that domino, and hit that ball, the domino hit that ball and go into the cup. Right here has potential energy, and then going down is kinetic energy. Domino has potential energy, and then it's moving down hitting kinetic energy, transferring potential kinetic to the ping pong ball. So, try it out.
Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm going to pop a balloon. And first, I'll release this trigger, which will send 3 marbles down this into the cup. The pulley, which will pull on the skateboard and send it down the ramp, which will knock over the CDs, hit the lever, and pop the balloon. And at the top here, the marbles are being held back, and their potential energy, when it's released, is converted into kinetic energy. And their energy is transferred to the cup, which will pull it down. And the skateboard has potential energy, and when it goes down, it will be converted into kinetic energy, and it will transfer its energy to the CDs, which will fall over and hit the lever and hopefully pop the balloon. Yes! Hi, I'm Nick, and I'm going to pop a balloon.
Did you say cheese?
I'm Rick, this is Joe, and this is Dan, and this is our pitching machine. So we're going to start out with a ball. We're going to drop it from here, it's going to go down the incline plane. It's going to hit the prop, it's going to knock the rock over and hit here, and the ball is going to get launched. Up here is potential energy, kinetic energy, then this is potential energy, then this kinetic energy. This is a lot of potential energy, it turns into kinetic energy, and then it does the same thing. Potential energy, and then it turns into kinetic energy. Joe, do the honors?
I'm Ryan, I'm gonna pop the balloon.
This time.
I wasn't ready.
There
There you go.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
I'm Matt, he's Steve, and this is Joe. And me and Steve are gonna try to pop a balloon.
It worked somehow.